Alex Cole-Hamilton, to be followed by Monica Lennon.
Thank you. Presiding Officer, I find it unbelievable that all these months later, the Scottish Government still don't know the full extent of this tragedy. This is a devastating revelation. We now know that the government was accelerating the movement of COVID-positive cases into care homes, while at the same time the international community was screaming about asymptomatic transmission. We didn't know how the virus was moving around in our hospitals, and our care homes had no PPE. When the Cabinet Secretary talks about lessons learned, does she recognise the only way that this Parliament and this country will learn those lessons is it under an independent public inquiry that she must commission now?
Cabinet Secretary.
I believe I've already answered the question about the public inquiry. We have been clear, the First Minister has been clear, that there should be a public inquiry into every aspect of the handling of this pandemic, and that when the time is appropriate, the First Minister will commission such a public inquiry, and it will carry on and it will do the job that it's supposed to do. The one other thing, though, I have to say is to correct Mr Cole-Hamilton with respect to PPE. PPE in our care home sector is the responsibility of the private, independent and public sector providers to acquire. When we knew on the 19th of March that their private supply lines were experiencing difficulty, NHS and our National Procurement Service stepped in to ensure there was direct supply in volume and quantity to care homes of the appropriate PPE, and we continue to do that where that is necessary and will continue to do that for as long as it is required by that care home sector and other sectors of our health and social care.